Are you struggling with bloating, fatigue, food sensitivities, or digestive issues? You might be dealing with leaky gut syndrome, but don't worry, there are natural ways to support healing. Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, in this 60-second video, I'll share my top herbal and natural remedies for leaky gut. Number 1. Slippery Elm, soothes and coats the gut lining. Number 2. Marshmallow Root, reduces inflammation and protects mucous membranes. Number 3. Licorice Root, DGL, helps restore and protect the intestinal barrier. Number 4. L-Glutamine, an amino acid that supports gut cell repair. Number 5. Bone Broth, packed with collagen and amino acids to seal the gut lining. And don't forget, a low-inflammatory, gut-friendly diet is essential. Remove gluten, sugar, and processed foods. Pair this with stress reduction and proper sleep, and your gut will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more 60-second holistic health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment or supplement, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medication.